Learning is affected by different conceptions and beliefs we have. This table presents a description of the conceptions and beliefs regarding teaching-learning situations. Firstly, we have different conceptions of ourselves and other people. We have beliefs of ourselves in general. For example, usually I am a good or a bad learner, or I am a good or a bad teacher. It's important to reflect on one's own conceptions and become aware of them. We also have conceptions of things affecting our learning or teaching. We have external and internal attributions, explanations to activities or situations. Internal attributions are associated with a person, for example, one's abilities, and the external attributions are associated with a situation, for example, rush or coincidence. We have also beliefs of ourselves associated with learning or teaching in a particular field. For example, I'm a good or a bad learner in this field, or I'm a good or a bad teacher in this field. We have also adopted general and cultural beliefs. For example, a common misconception is that men are better at mathematics than, for example, women. Let's take a look at conceptions of learning. We have preconceived conceptions of how learning happens. A student who applies the surface approach to learning thinks that the aim of learning is to remember information and concentrate on memorizing things. A student who applies the deep approach thinks that the aim of learning is to understand and create meanings from what is being learned. We have also different conceptions of what learning is. Some of us think that the aim of learning is to know facts, and some of us see learning as a development of expertise and aiming at a problem solution. We have also different conceptions of where learning happens. For example, does it happen sitting obediently in a lecture hall, or is it location independent? Thirdly, we have different conceptions of knowledge. There are differences in our conceptions of the certainty of knowledge. Beginner students often think that there is a yes or no answer to all questions. This is called a black and white conception of knowledge. Later students notice that there are many questions we cannot answer. We have also different conceptions of the stability of knowledge. Some of us believe that knowledge consists of stable facts, and some of us believe that knowledge is changing continually. There are differences in our conceptions of the origin of knowledge. Some people believe in authority and others in their own estimation. In the beginning of the university studies, many students believe in the all-knowing authority of the lecturers and assume that teachers know answers to all the questions. These beliefs often change during the years of study. We have different beliefs of how knowledge is acquired. Some people believe in innate abilities and gifts and think that some of us have innately better capacities to learn. Some of us believe in quick learning and think that if one doesn't learn something quickly, it is a waste of time to spend more time on it. Both innate ability and quick learning are theories that are not true when concerning good quality learning. Fourthly, people have conceptions of the subject of learning or teaching. We have different conceptions of the level of difficulty of the subject. For example, is the subject easy or difficult, abstract or concrete, theoretical or pragmatic, simple or complex, or familiar or unfamiliar? We have also conceptions of competencies needed for a profession. For example, do teachers need research skills? We have also conceptions related to jobs and professions. For example, is the work interesting and do I see myself as a worker in this field? Are these conceptions of the work and workers correct? Finally, we have different conceptions of teaching. There are differences in the conceptions of what teaching is. Is it sharing facts to students or supporting their learning? We also have conceptions of how teaching happens. Does it happen by lecturing or ensuring that students understand the subject? Our conceptions are different also regarding to where teaching happens. Does it happen only in a classroom or by creating learning environments that support the students' learning? All these conceptions and beliefs concern both teachers and students. It's beneficial for us to reflect on our conceptions and beliefs, because being aware of those is a precondition to changing our beliefs towards more beneficial ones.